Hey there, in this video, I'll show you how to integrate Shakebug, a bug reporting tool, into your Android application. By using Shakebug, you can quickly and easily report bugs and issues in your app, allowing you to fix them quickly and improve your app's user experience. So let's get started. Step 1. Register to Shakebug. The first step is to register for Shakebug. To do this, simply visit the Shakebug website and sign up for a free account. Step 2. Log in to Shakebug. Once you've registered, log in to your Shakebug account using your email address and password. Step 3. Go to Projects section. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Projects section in the Shakebug dashboard. This is where you'll add your project. Step 4. Click on Add Project. To add your project, click on the Add Project button. Step 5. Add your project. In the Add Project screen, enter your project's name and select the platform, in this case, Android. Step 6. Generate a key. Once you've added your project, Shakebug will generate a key for you. This key is what you'll use to configure the Shakebug SDK in your Android app. Step 7. Configure the SDK. Now that you have your key, you can configure the Shakebug SDK in your app. To do this, add the key to your application's configuration file. This will allow your app to communicate with the Shakebug service and report any bugs or issues that users encounter. Step 8. In your Android Studio, please add Shakebug dependency as shown in screen, then try to sync your Gradle. It might take some time as usual. Step 9. Now after syncing Gradle, if all good, then open your launching activity and add Shakebug. Shared instance. Initiate with key method in onCreate method. Developer can also use other Shakebug method like show splash screen, etc. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to integrate Shakebug into your Android app. By using Shakebug, you'll be able to quickly identify and fix any issues that your users encounter, improving your app's user experience and making it more reliable. Thanks for watching.